I can still do it. So I was like, wow. The instructor told me how to maneuver the windsurfing board. Amazing experience to.
Boracay is one of the best place in the world, and also for windsurfing.
Windsurfing. A sport that utilizes a sail, attached on a board, to glide into the waves.
Dati, nasa beach lang ako, nakaupo ako, tinitingnan yung mga pro windsurfer, nag-ride, tapos sobrang naiinggit ka, gusto mong mag-windsurf din pero hindi ka marunong, wala kang gamit.
Windsail on a surfboard? That sounds ridiculous these days. As kiteboarding is the new thing on the block.
So, ayun, nag-start ko mag-windsurf when I was 12 years old. So, I'm lucky din kasi yung part ng family ko, like cousins ko, from my uncle, nag-work sila sa windsurf center, tsaka yung brother ko. So, they have some gears. And then, ayun, tinry ko yung gear nila hanggang natuto ako ng ako lang. Nag-try ako nang wala nagtuturo. Tapos, merong din nagbibigay ng konting tips. Tapos, ayun, natuto ako ng sarili ko lang din until nakilala na ako ng ibang mga pros. Tapos, tinulungan din nila ako paano mag-improve. Tapos ayun, natuto ako hanggang sa naging instructor na din ako. At ngayon, marunong na ako. Tapos hindi ko alam kung gaano kagaling. Basta marunong ako, siguro mga 80% ganun. Hindi, I don't know.
Apparently, there are still windsurfing enthusiasts who are enjoying this sport. Dong, a resident here in the world-famous Boracay.
Andito po tayo sa Boracay, Station 1, Sinagpa. And Boracay is one of the best place in the world, and also for windsurfing. Kasi pag bagat po dito is malakas po yung hangin, tapos hindi po siya masyadong choppy, so good for learner also.
And today, Dong has an unusual windsurfing guests.
Yung windsurfing experience ko today is yung kiteboarding buddy ko, may pinakilala siyang windsurfer sa akin. Si Miss Joanne yung isa, may experience na siya sa windsurfing pero long time ago. And yung isang guy, the ninja guy, Pinoy Geek adventurer, wearing a mask, ninja mask.
Very unusual guests, indeed.
Okay, we're supposed to do the paddle boarding, but then the friend of Pinoy Geek adventurer called him for windsurfing activities. So it's nice to do windsurfing because I used to do it in the past few years. Like, yeah, I love it. So
So ayun, yung ginawa namin is tinuruan ko muna sila sa beach ng may simulation kami kung paano sumakay sa board, kung paano itayo yung sail, yung paano mag-balance, tsaka yung position ng sail, kung paano recover, lahat turn, tinuro ko turn, paano bumalik. And then after nung simulation, pumunta na kami sa tubig.
After a quick simulation, these newbies need to get their feet wet, literally.
Pinatry ko muna kay Miss Joanne. Second time niya pero di siya nakapag-windsurf for a long time ago. So ayun, nag-try siya ulit. And then nagawa niya din. Medyo nahihirapan nga lang. Pero medyo marunong na siya. So she did it. And then nag-try din siya ng mahaba.
Yeah, I thought I forgot to do windsurfing activities because it's like 6 years ago or 5 years ago. So it's like, I don't know if I can do it still. But then, yeah, I love it. When you're there, it was really awesome. The feeling was really nice. And I can still do it. So I was like, wow. The instructor told me how to maneuver the windsurfing board and stuff. This is amazing experience to do it once again.
That was not too bad for Miss Joanne. Now everyone is curious on how her mysterious, masked friend will perform.
This will be a piece of cake for me. I've been gliding in the water ever since I was a kid in training.
Now that's quite a big mouth. It's time to find out if he can put his performance where his mouth is.
Ayun, after nun nag-try din si Sir Ninja Guy. Medyo nahihirapan siya sa umpisa kasi first time niya. Normal lang yun, nahuhulog siya minsan. And after a few minutes, kaya niya na din tumayo, then nakakapag-ride na din siya. Okay naman kasi na-manage niya yung ride saka yung turn. And ayun, pati yung turn nakuha niya din. Yung ganun kabilis kahit first timer siya. Okay naman kasi na-manage niya yung ride saka yung turn. Saka nakaka-recover na din siya pag nauulot. Na yung direction na okay na din.
Since his performance as a beginner of windsurfing. I used to dive in water a lot, right? A lot. So, as a first timer, he does it well. I offer him to explore Boracay. I was quite amazed with him wearing a mask. So yeah, I was puzzled because it's like
He's wearing a ninja mask. Akala ko para siyang wrestler. Para kamukha ni Rey Mysterio. Para siyang funny guy na.
yeah, everyone is wearing a mask. So, but then his mask was different.
So, parang natawa ako sa mask niya. Pero parang ninja na puti.
So I was like, okay. I was amazed.
So apparently, with a soft wind today, Septorm Shadow still able to do well, for a first timer. He's a ninja, after all.
So ayun, medyo mahina yung hangin kanina nung nag-lesson kami. So hopefully Wednesday, malakas yung hangin. Sana makabalik sila para makapag-ride sila ng maayos. And I think mas magiging okay yung ride na dalawa nating windsurfer.
But quite frankly, he is moving like a snail in the water. Now everyone is looking forward for his gliding full speed in the waves of Boracay.
Ako nga pala si Dong. Expert ako sa windsurfing. Hobby ko is windsurfing and kitesurfing, paddleboarding, at iba pang mga boards.
Well, I'm Joanne T. From Boracay. I love adventures, hiking, trekking, windsurfing, parasailing. Oh, kaya nga mainit.
Okay din po sir. Don't rush ka. So you have to tell it.
Ulitin ko na lang.
Sige, pwede. Di pa tapos.